This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Mac and Chromecast must be on the same Wi-Fi and Chromecast plugged into the TV and power. Open Chrome, casting works best from Chrome, and sign into the Google account if prompted. Once done, click the three-dot menu and choose Cast to discover devices. This step starts the session handshake between your Mac and the Chromecast so the devices can communicate and stream content. Now pick what to share. Select Cast and then pick a tab, the entire desktop, or a local file. This choice affects both video quality and audio routing. If you need system audio, choose the desktop or enable share audio when prompted. Tabs sometimes drop audio. Make sure your Mac's resolution and display scaling match the TV's 16:9 aspect if possible, because correct resolution reduces lag and prevents cropping during playback. To end, open Chrome's Cast menu and stop casting or click Disconnect on the device tile. This cleanly releases network streams. If the Chromecast doesn't appear, reboot the router, Chromecast, and your Mac to clear temporary network conflicts. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and disable VPNs because they block local discovery. This is the single most effective troubleshooting tip when devices cannot see each other on the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.